In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Outlook tutorial. We'll walk through how to update your language settings in Outlook on the desktop and then in Outlook on the web. I'll keep it clear and simple so you know exactly where to click and what to expect as the interface updates. First, if you're using the Outlook desktop app, open Outlook and head straight to the File menu in the top left. From there, choose Options to open the Outlook Options window. In the sidebar, select Language. This area controls the display language for Outlook's interface and the proofing languages used for spelling and grammar. Look over the available languages listed here and choose the one you want Outlook to use. This is also where you can confirm that your proofreading language matches your preference, which keeps spell check and suggestions consistent with the interface you've selected. After confirming your choice, Outlook will prepare to use the new language the next time the interface refreshes. If Outlook prompts you to apply changes, just follow the on-screen guidance. Now let's switch to Outlook on the web. Open Outlook in your browser and click the settings icon, which looks like a gear and is usually in the top right. In the panel that opens, select View All Outlook Settings at the bottom. In the full settings window, go to General, then choose Language and Time. This page lets you set your interface language as well as related formatting such as date and time formats and your time zone. Pick your preferred language from the list, confirm the regional options that match how you want dates and times to appear, and then let Outlook apply those choices. The interface will begin reflecting the new language, and your inbox controls, menus, and buttons will update accordingly. If you don't immediately see the change, give it a moment or refresh the page. Some updates take effect after the settings page closes. A couple of helpful notes as you finish up. In the desktop app, the display language and the proofing language can be different, so make sure they align if you want spelling suggestions in the same language as your interface. In the web version, the language and time page brings your language and regional settings together so your dates, times, and calendar views match your preference. If certain options aren't available, your organization may control them, so check with your administrator. That's it. You've seen where to change the language in both the Outlook desktop app and Outlook on the web, and how those choices affect your interface and formatting. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Outlook in the language that's right.